Turbines are getting bigger, blades are getting longer, and with that growth, the risks are higher in each step of the process. Whether it's transportation, maintenance, or harsh weather conditions, traditional inspection methods can't keep up. In fact, wind turbine service technician is the fastest growing occupation in America right now because the demand is outpacing the solutions. Aerones is the first company to build a fleet of unique robotic systems that perform maintenance, inspection, and repair services on wind turbine blades. Discover our newest innovation, Gen 3 Crawler, complete overhaul of the chassis and motor control, allowing constant speed and full autonomy. Modular design for improved maintenance and future upgrades. The Gen 3 is equipped with adaptive LED matrix lights, ensuring perfect visibility in any condition. A powerful 3D LiDAR scanner captures precise measurements and surface details. Our 360-degree front-facing camera shoots 8K video, which you can inspect yourself through our visual inspection platform, and for the blade root area and beyond. A dedicated camera module with a 61-megapixel sensor, delivering exceptional image quality, plus an easy-to-swap battery module for extended operations. We've mastered internal and external inspections across every stage of the blade life cycle. Factory inspections, post-transportation inspections, pre-commissioning inspections, regular internal inspections. All collected data is processed by our blade expert team, supported by AI assistance for faster and more accurate damage detection. AI reports are available almost instantly, and Blade Expert verified reports are delivered within 48 hours. The data is also available to clients through the Aerones client portal, where users can combine and view the 360-degree footage and drone external pictures, along with much more functionality designed to streamline your entire inspection workflow. The future of wind turbine inspection is here. Ready to learn more? Contact our team at sales@aerones.com or visit aerones.com